Hi, I'm Karen with the Aromahead Institute and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to perk up your morning with a lively, invigorating shower gel recipe called Rosemary Morning Shower Gel. I'm making my shower gel with equal parts of Castile Soap and aloe vera gel. Now notice this is a 2-ounce bottle, so I am not going to measure, I am just going to eye it and do half of the aloe vera gel. There we go, we have a beautiful aloe vera gel. Next is our Castile Soap, and Castile Soap is a gentle, natural liquid soap, and it's very effective at cleansing dirt and germs off of our skin. 1 ounce of Castile Soap, and we'll almost fill this to the top. We save a little bit of room to add our essential oils in there. Okay, now I've made the base of my blend, and it's time to add the essential oils. The first oil I'm adding is rosemary, and I want just 12 drops. Rosemary has been used for centuries with mental clarity, and that's why rosemary is called a cephalic oil. It helps you feel alert and ready to face your day. Next, I'm adding 8 drops of our hemlock oil. Hemlock oil contains all sorts of components that help clear your head and stimulate your energy, so you feel lively and upbeat. And the essential oil that we're working with today is distilled from the fresh green needles of a beautiful, tall hemlock conifer tree. Okay, moving on to 6 drops of wild carrot oil. It's distilled from the wild growing carrot plants and has a sweet, earthy, woody smell. Wild carrot helps lift you out of low energy slumps so that you feel energized and motivated. And it can help circulate that feeling through your whole body. It just puts a nice spring into your step. And finally, I'm adding 5 drops of our cardamom oil. Cardamom, it's another famous cephalic oil like rosemary, and that means it brings clarity and energy to the head so that you can focus clearly and pay attention for longer spans of time and feel motivated to power through your to-do list. So to finish up my recipe, I'm just going to close up my bottle and give it a good shake. In fact, you'll want to shake this each time that you use it. The Castile Soap does disperse the essential oils, but the soap and the aloe might separate a bit after the blend sits on the shelf for a while. So if I have this in my shower, I'll just shake it up before I use it. If you want to learn more about these 4 essential oils, there's a link in the description that takes you to a blog post about this very recipe, and you'll find more information there. So thank you for watching. Be sure and like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Jenny and Karen here. Thanks for watching.
We have a number of ways for you to engage with our content. Follow us on social, tune into our live events, check out our blog, and subscribe to our newsletter.
And don't forget to take our free Intro to Essential Oils course if you haven't already.